Hi guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to share my latest purchase, this stainless steel black tumbler. Let me tell you why I love it so much. Well, for starters, I love that this tumbler comes with a straw. I just love straws. It makes it so much easier to drink my drink. And what I love about this tumbler specifically is that it can be used for hot or cold drinks. If you're going to use a hot drink, it can last up to 6 hours, and if your drink is cold, up to 12 hours. So this is perfect for a long day at work or school. The designers of this tumbler literally thought of everything. I love it. For starters, the lid is BPA free. You have a leak-proof slider, so you don't have to worry about dropping your drink or it leaking if you do happen to drop the tumbler. What's also great about it is that the stainless steel is safe, so you don't have to worry about the metal infecting your drink or anything like that. And the cup is sweat-proof, so if you're running around, you don't have to worry about your cup slipping out of your hand. The bottom of the tumbler is made so that it can fit perfectly into the cup holder of your car, so it makes it easy to pick up the drink and to put it back while you're driving. And then the handle is what makes it so easy to carry it, whether you're driving or you're walking around or going from here to there or have other things in your hand. This makes it so easy for you to hold the tumbler as well. I literally do not leave the house without this thing. I love it so much. It is such a trusty and durable tumbler that can be used for work, for school, or on a daily basis, whatever you may need it for. I recommend it to anyone, but that is just my point of view.